Now we are going to take the class 12 mathematics, and we are going to start the topic differentiation. Differentiation is a vital part of calculus, and it plays a very important role from the point of view of examinations. In previous classes, means in 11th class, you have already discussed about the topic differentiation in early stages, and in class 12 we are going to study the vital part of differentiation. For that, we would like to revise the previous derivatives of algebraic and trigonometric functions and further rules of differentiation, and about the composite functions, rules of composite functions. The first topic is we have taken the derivatives of algebraic and trigonometric functions. The first is d by dx x to the power n is equal to n x to the power n minus 1. The second formula of derivative sign is d by dx sin x is equal to cos x. The third is d by dx cos x is equal to minus sin x. The fourth is d by dx tan x is equal to sec square x. The fifth is d by dx sec x is equal to sec x into tan x. The sixth is d by dx cot x is equal to minus cosec square x. And the seventh and last derivative of trigonometric function is d by dx cosec x is equal to minus cosec x into cot x. Then further we discuss the rules of differentiation. Dx plus dv by dx. The second is d by dx u minus v du by dx minus dv by dx. The third is d by dx u into v u dv by dx plus v du by dx. And the fourth is d by dx u by v v du by dx minus u dv by dx by v square. And we next proceed the composite function. Now we discuss the derivatives of composite function, means chain rule. The first rule is that when y is equal to ft and t is equal to dx, means y is the function of t and t is the function of x, then dy by dx is equal to dy by dt into dt by dx. And the second rule is that when y is a function of t and t is a function of u and u is a function of x, then dy by dx is equal to dy by dt into dt by du into du by dx. We can further extend these rules for the more functions. We can further this rule for the more functions. These are the fundamental views for the differentiation, and next we discuss some example questions for which we are going to start it. Now we discuss some example questions. The first question is differentiate each of the following with respect to x. The first is sin x cube, the second is cos cube x, and the third is tan root x. Now we try to understand how can we solve these questions in very easy manner. Let y equal to sin x cube. This is equation 1. Putting x cube is equal to t. This implies y is equal to sin t and t is equal to x cube. This implies dy by dt is equal to d by dt sin t, which is equal to cos t, and this is equal to cos x cube, and dt by dx is equal to d by dx x cube is equal to 3x square. This implies dy by dx is equal to dy by dt into dt by dx, which is equal to cos x cube into 3x square, which is equal to 3x square cos x cube. Let y is equal to sin x cube be the first equation. Now putting x cube is equal to t. This implies y is equal to sin t and t is equal to x cube. Then first we differentiate y with respect to t because y is the function of t. Then dy by dt is equal to d by dt sin t, and differential of sin t is equal to cos t, and t stands for x cube. This is equal to cos x cube, and dt by dx is equal to dy by dx x cube, which is equal to 3x square, means x to the power n, where we remember d by dx x to the power n is equal to n x to the power n minus 1, मीन्स जो भी इस पे पावर रहता है वह पावर मल्टीप्लाई हो जाता है और जितना पावर है उसमें से 1 माइनस हो जाता है। यही अलजेब्रिक फंक्शन का रूल है। अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट, उसके अनुसार डी बाई डी एक्स एक्स क्यूब इज इक्वल टू कितना हो गया, 3x स्क्वायर। देन according to chain rule, dy by dx equal to dy by dt into dt by dx. This is equal to cos x cube into 3x square, which is equal to 3x square into cos x cube. This is the solution of this question. The next question, second question. Let y is equal to cos qx, which is equal to cos x to the whole cube. This implies y equal to cos x to the whole cube. Question 1. Putting cos x is equal to t, this implies y is equal to t cube and t is equal to cos x. Therefore, dy by dx is equal to dy by dt into dt by dx. T equal to d by dt t cube into d by dx cos x. This implies dy by dx equal to differential of tq with respect to t becomes 3t square into differential of cos x becomes minus sin x to minus sin x, which is equal to t stands for cos x, therefore it is equal to 3 cos square x into minus sin x, and therefore dy by dx is equal to minus 3 sin x cos square x answer. This is the solution of this question. Once again we try to understand the solution of this question. Let y is equal to cos x cube which is equal to cos x whole cube. मीन्स किसी पर यदि x क्यूब रहता है cos या sin तो इसका मतलब होता है कि यह उसका होल क्यूब है, तो इसलिए इसको हम लोग होल क्यूब लेते हैं. एंड पुटिंग cos इक्वल टू t बिकॉज y is the function of cos x whole cube, then cos x is equal to t, this becomes y is equal to t cube and t is equal to cos x, then dy by dx is equal to dy by dt into dt by dx according to chain rule, and in this manner we proceed again, and this is equal to d by dx d by dt t cube into d by dx cos x. Differential of t cube becomes equal to 3t square and differentiation of cos x is equal to minus sin x, which is equal to 3 cos x square into minus sin x. Therefore dy by dx is equal to minus sin x cos x square. This is the solution. Question is the third question. Let y is equal to tan root x. Equation 1, putting root x is equal to t. This implies y is equal to tan t and t is equal to root x, means x to the power 1 by 2. Then dy by dx equal to dy by dt into dt by dx. According to chain rule, dy by dx is equal to dy by dt into dt by dx. This is equal to d by dt tan t into d by dx x to the power 1 by 2. Root x means x to the power 1 by 2 होता है. This implies differential of tan t with respect to t becomes sec square t, and differential of x to the power 1 by 2 is 1 by 2 x to the power minus 1 by 2. मीन्स x by 2 से 1 माइनस करेंगे तो यह minus 1 by 2 हो जाता है. This implies dx is equal to this. This is equal to sec square t का जवाब है रूट s by root x, then it becomes sec square root x, and this becomes 1 by 2 root x. Therefore, dy by dx is equal to sec square root x by 2 root x. This is the solution of this question. Therefore, these are example questions and we have solved it very easily. Now further we discuss some main questions from the point of examination of view. You must understand the questions very easily and try the next question yourself. In further classes we will discuss some next question from the point of view of examination. Okay, thanks all of you.